In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify your win condition. League of Legends. A win condition is the clearest path your team has to close out a game, and the faster you can recognize it, the better your decisions become. Pros do this constantly, and you can too, by reading your draft, the map, and the scoreboard, then playing toward the plan that fits. Start by assessing your team composition. Think about what your champions want to do and when they're strongest. If you drafted a powerful split pusher, like a champion that excels in dueling and tower pressure, your plan might be to play the map wide, draw pressure to a side lane, and avoid unnecessary 5v5s. If you have a hypercarry marksman that scales, shift your mindset to protecting them through lane assignments, peel, and item spikes so they can take over later. Next, analyze the game state. Look at gold and experience leads, turret health, wave positions, and objective timers. If you're behind, avoid coin flip fights and lean into safer farming, cross-mapping, and trading objectives until your items come online. If you're ahead, don't give the enemy time to scale. Control vision, push waves together, and convert pressure into dragons, herald, and towers. Always ask, without overcomplicating it, what advantage do we have right now, and how do we turn it into something permanent? Consider your overall strategy before the game even starts. Identify who your team wants to play around, which lanes can push first, and what your strongest windows are. If your plan is late game scaling, stabilize early. If your plan is early aggression, stack dragons and force plays when your crowd control and summoners are up. Common win conditions make this even clearer. Objective control is a classic. Play for dragons, herald, and baron to gain stats, tempo, and map control. Team fighting works when you have strong engage and AoE, set up early, track key cooldowns, and fight on your terms. Split pushing wins by pressuring side lanes, sinking waves, and backing off when enemies disappear. Pick compositions thrive on vision. Deny enemy wards, catch stragglers, and convert numbers advantages. Protect the carry comp's peak when your damage dealer stays alive. Draft peel, keep them front to back, and fight around their range. Early game dominance snowballs with plates and dragons. Keep the pace high. Late game scaling demands patience. Minimize losses, farm efficiently, and avoid low percentage fights. And throughout everything, vision control ties it all together. Ward proactively, clear fog, and fight where you see first. Keep reassessing, communicate the plan, and align your plays with the win condition that best fits your champions and the current game state.